Guys, today in this video, I will demonstrate you there is some unique features available with the Retail Daddy. You know why it is unique? See, free payment gateway system. For example, any one of your customer is paying through Google Pay, a QR code, whatever it is, automatically the notification will come over here and the bill printout will come automatically. See, normally this technology you are paying some charges, right? 2%, 3% your monthly pay rental, something like that. But in this technology, you don't need to pay any amount of money to anyone. That is a speciality for this kind of payment system. And it is completely secure, direct UPI to UPI payment gateway. See, in this technology, when the customer is paying to you, it will directly credit to your account instantly without any delay. Same like Google Pay system. The only thing is that you need to put your UPI ID in the Retail Daddy billing software. So according to the UPI ID, automatically dynamic QR code will come. You can directly pay it. That's it. It is completely unique technology all over India because no one made this kind of technology in India, and it is simple and user friendly. Let me demonstrate how does this system is going to work. See, look at this. This is the Retail Daddy billing software, and here I am going to sales panel. See, in the sales panel, I am going to scan some products like that. See, automatically you can see over here the products are coming over there. Yes. So its total amount is around, exactly 10 rupees. So when I am clicking on this button, look at this button, click on this button. So you will get a dynamic QR code. This dynamic QR code, for example, ask your customer to make the payment. This dynamic QR code both you can display in your customer display, in the backside display, or you have a special device available for QR code scanning. And also, see, just I am taking the this Google Pay, scan it, and I am just paying it. Yes, I am just clicking the payment. So what will happen? The notification will come over there. Look at the screen. Automatically it will come. See, success message, and automatically the invoice will come out here. So we no need to do anything in between. So this is the unique technology basically. See, for this kind of services, you need to pay around 2% or 3% service charges, commission, and also the amount will not credit to your account instantly in that kind of payment system. But in Retail Daddy, this is the most important advantages you will get. You are saving a lot of money and you are getting instant transaction, and it will credit to your account instantly. So you can speed up your business. You can pay this bills, everything to your suppliers, whatever it is, instantly because your cash flow is very good. So this is the unique advantage of Retail Daddy billing software. So once you like this video, please give a thumbs up, like and share everything. And welcome to Retail Daddy.